Cataloging your comic collection and got a CBDBZ file with compressed database data? This stores comic book metadata for collection management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these comic book database compressed files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful CBDBZ inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. CBDBZ files are compressed, database files used by comic book collection management applications, storing metadata about comic book series issues, creators, publishers, and collection details. They enable collectors to maintain organized digital catalogs of their comic collections in a compressed format for efficient storage. CBDBZ files use a compressed container format, wrapping a comic book database with serialized records for series issues, creators, publishers, and collection metadata. The compression reduces file size for backup and transfer, while the internal database structure supports the comic management application's cataloging features. For CBDBZ, the quickest first step is opening it with Comic Database Application. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows can detect but not fully interpret many compressed formats, so extraction tools are required. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your CBDBZ file and select Open With. Test Comic Database Application if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. When a CBDBZ file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focus steps to pinpoint the exact CBDBZ error. First, opening in Comic Database Apps. Install the matching comic book database application that created the CBDBZ file, such as ComicBase Comicster or similar collection managers. Use the application's import or restore database function to load the CBDBZ file. The app reconstructs your comic collection database for browsing and management. Next, decompressing manually. Try renaming the CBDBZ extension to .zip and extracting with 7-zip. The archive may reveal underlying database files in formats like SQLite or XML. Inspecting the extracted database content helps understand collection data structure and supports migration to other collection management tools. Finally, migrating to modern tools. For migration to modern comic management apps like CLZ Comics or Comic Rack, export the CBDBZ data to standard formats like CSV or XML. Most comic management applications support import from common formats, enabling continued cataloging across application changes without losing collection data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.